Hey everybody, it's Shawn, and today we are taking a look at the NuVision 8-inch Windows PC tablet. So, this is kind of like a Windows 10 tablet that's pretty cheap, around like 120 bucks. You could probably find it even cheaper. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and overview of it to just see, what this is about, because I've never really seen a Windows tablet other than the Surface and Surface RT. So right up front they say this tablet features Windows 10. It is an 8-inch full HD PC tablet that features Microsoft Windows 10, an 8-inch full high definition IPS display, an Intel Atom processor, Microsoft Signature Edition, I'm not sure what that is or means, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in, dual cameras and dual microphones. On the side, you get a picture of what it is and Intel inside. On the back, we see the device itself right there. So I guess we can look at features dual microphones that optimize interaction with Cortana. Microsoft Signature Edition is the best way to enjoy your new PC. It comes without any bloatware or trialware installed and gives you a cleaner and faster experience. And these are the specs. So it's a quad-core processor, speed up to 1.84 gigahertz, 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, expandable via micro SD up to 64 gigs, HD display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200, a battery capacity of 3700 milliamp hour, camera 2 megapixels on the front, 5 megapixels on the rear. So it has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, micro USB charging port, headphone jack 3.5 millimeter, dual cameras and dual mic. And that's about it. Alright. So we just kinda, I don't even know. Oh, there's some tape. And pull it out like so. Okay. So front and center we have a tablet. Looks kind of like an iPad. The back. Let's just put that aside. See what else we get. That's interesting. You should remember to register your tablet. Okay, we get a quick start guide. So the model number is the TM800W610L. Okay, this would be the micro USB cable. Oh, so we have micro USB to USB, as you see there, and we have our standard micro USB, and we have our standard power brick. It's a quick charge power brick. Let's see if we can get it to focus. There we go. So it is 5 volts to amps. So I don't really know if that's going to equal quick charging or not. Just put the box to the side. This one right here. And let's take a look at the tablet. So, let's just take a run around. So it kind of guides you in the back of what you can expect. So let's see, I guess we'll start up top. So you have your mini HDMI, your dual mic, micro USB, and your 3.5. On the right side, you have your power button and volume rocker. Down bottom, you have your dual speakers, I guess. On the left side, you have your open slot for your micro SD, and on the back, your 5 megapixel. On the front, your 2 megapixel, and just some information on the bottom and your serial number. Let's just power it on real quick. Hopefully this has some battery. So right there we see NuVision and the Windows 10 boot screen. Let's just zoom in a tad bit. So I don't really know if this is going to be fast or not, considering I've never used a Windows 10 tablet. Okay, so it's a standard Windows 10 setup. So let's just see what it says. Hi there. Let's get a few basic things out of the way. So it asks your country, region, app language, keyboard, and time zone. Click next, and it's just applying those settings. I mean, the screen looks pretty nice. I mean, I don't really see anything, you know, to me it doesn't look that bad. The tablet feels pretty nice in the hand. It feels kind of like I said, like an iPad. But I don't know how it's going to run Windows 10, to be honest with you. Because if it is the full experience, that might be a bit awkward. And I'm assuming probably with Bluetooth you can connect keyboards and mouses and stuff, but I don't really know. So let's just create an account. Huh. It's not letting me. Okay, we'll click. Okay. Shawn. Done. Now I was going to say that it needs a few minutes to set things up, which is the usual Windows 10 kind of thing. Yeah, see? Lots of great features to get excited about, and then you wait about like 5 minutes for it to actually do its stuff. So we will get back once we are set up and good to go. Alright, so we got the tablet all set up and ready to go. And this is kind of what your, I'm guessing, home screen is going to look like. So it's Windows 10 but with the tiles. If we click home, this is what you're going to get. We have the home button, the back button, Cortana to show you open apps. We have a battery indicator, so 70% is left with 3 hours and 26 minutes. We have Wi-Fi to connect to, and we have sound. We have our notification, and we have our time and date. So let's see if we can get into the settings. Can we flip it this way? Yes, we can. So we also have the home button here, which I guess isn't a home button. It's just some Microsoft logo. So if we go into settings and we go into system, about. So this is running Windows 10 Home version 15.11. Let me let's just get in there to see the specs. running on an Intel Atom X5-Z8300 CPU at 1.44 gigahertz, 2 gigs of RAM. It's a 64-bit operating system. And yeah, so I just want to see how the speakers sound. So let's just connect to a Wi-Fi. Can it find? Okay, just give me a second to connect to my Wi-Fi. Alright, so I have it connected to the Wi-Fi, and we're just gonna try, let's see, probably just going on YouTube real quick to just test the audio. YouTube.com. If it will load YouTube. Huh. It's saying it can't reach the page. Oh, because I can't type it probably. YouTube. And just go to youtube.com. And we'll just click something on the home page. So we will just do this vaccines last week tonight with John Oliver from HBO. And let's see if it actually will play it. Might not. Huh. Okay, there we go. And here's if we want to up our volume, but it's at 100%. So it is kind of slow as far as I can tell. So there we go, audio.
Vaccines, or as the fun doctor at your family practice puts it, shot. Seriously, there'll be a slight pinch.
So there we go. And it looks pretty good in my opinion. Like, the screen isn't really bad, and I mean, it's set to auto 720p, but I'm pretty sure if you were to go to 1080 you can, and this is actually a home button. Okay. So I mean, yeah, it's running Windows 10, but it's running it kind of in the tablet form. And yeah, as you can see, things work like Windows 10, but it's not the Windows 10 desktop version. If you are to probably check for updates, there probably will be. I've decided to actually run Windows updates to see if there is anything, but I mean, I'm getting a checking for updates. There probably are going to be updates for this. It's updated to the latest build and such, but yeah, this is the first look at the NuVision. Sorry, it's not NuVision, it's NuVision 8-inch Windows PC tablet running Windows 10. I will have a full review of this. I'm probably just going to use it as my daily driver for a week and see how it goes. But if you have any questions or anything you want to see, just let me know down below and I will make sure to respond. Other than that, I hope you enjoy and have a great day.